What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get potions in Royal Kingdom. So if you're looking for a way to get potions in Royal Kingdom, well, there are a few things here that we need to understand. So as you can see, whenever you click on the potion icon here, it gives you the option to basically see your potions. So the potions that you earn, or in order for you to earn potions within the platform, is you just need to beat levels. So quite simple here. So you beat levels and you earn points and you use that to build your kingdom. But how do you get more potions here? Now you get more potions by just playing the game itself. But there are later on, whenever you go ahead, like for example you progress into the story, into the game here, the levels are going to be a lot harder. So the harder the levels, the more potions you get. So just to give you the idea, we actually found this article here for Royal Kingdom. So this is directly from their support page here. So like what I said, every time you beat a level here, you get potions, and also you get extra potions here for harder and super hard levels. And you can multiply your potions here by beating the Dark King in Kingdom levels and Dark Kingdom levels here. And also if you beat, or if you try using like champions arena here, so they will not give you potions, but they will give you coins. So if you want to grind potions, use the ordinary way of leveling up or progressing with your level here. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and resubscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.